Hi, I'm Adrian, and in this video we're going to look at contacts in Cademy. So if you go into the contact section in Cademy, you're going to be able to see a list of all the people that have purchased any of your courses in the past. And you can easily search for them using their name or email, just like so. And if you click on one of them, you'll see a full view of their contact details, as well as their previous interactions with you. So you can easily edit their details. Let's say if you want to add their date of birth, just click on that and add it in here. Boom, that's saved now. You can view all the interactions you've had with them, so all the bookings they've had with you, all the requests, all the emails that you sent them are all going to be visible from here. And you can easily add notes as well. So if you need to say something specific, you can just add it in here, save, and boom, that's going to be added here. If you want to look at a specific booking, you can just click on that and it's going to take you to that booking. You're going to see the details of that booking in here. Or vice versa, if you're looking at a booking and you want to go to the contact, you can click on that to be taken to the contact in here. Nice and simple. Lastly, I'd like to mention that you can edit the columns to get shown in here by clicking on the layout option and just adding in the fields that you want to see. And you can create new contacts on the fly by clicking on the new contact option and then entering the details within this form. Hopefully this makes sense. If not, use the live chat at the bottom right of the page to get in touch. Thank you so much and take care.